Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hiers Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. People ask me, why do they call it the Black Ghost? Well, back in the early 70s, the muscle car racing era was at its peak, and there was nowhere it was more at its peak at than in Detroit. Godfrey Qualls had a 1970 Dodge Challenger with a 426 Hemi engine. It was painted black, the engine was black, this car would show up, he would dominate the street racing scene, then he would speed off into the night, disappear for months at a time. In 1975, the car disappeared, never to be seen again. One of the coolest and most iconic parts of this car is the black gator skin roof. It's very unique, and it's something you're not going to see on other Challengers out there on the street. As we remove these functioning hood pins, you're going to find a nice 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi V8. It's backed up by a TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission. Everything is channeled through a 3.09 to 1 rear end. That propels this vehicle down the track at 11.8 seconds at 124 miles an hour, 3.9 seconds 0 to 60. All this is wrapped up with 807 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque, making this one of the most powerful and fastest production cars ever made. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the Widebody kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hiers Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.